And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Dry conditions out there right now, but I imagine by the morning commute, the roads will be wet. Some light rain for that morning commute, a little breezy to start the day. But by the time we get to the afternoon, much more of a concern for that rain becoming heavy at times and also some very strong winds. Let's set the stage, what we got going on right now. Temperatures at the coast have actually started to rise tonight. Warm fronts lifting north, so it's already up to 55 degrees in westerly. You're in the mid-40s north. Everybody has already reached their low temperature for tonight, and the only way to go is up. And that's because the warm front's lifting north. You can see all this milder air to the south. There's some 60s in D.C. and down towards Richmond, Virginia, 61 in New York City. And I think our temperatures are going to be in the 60s tomorrow. This is not a cold November rain falling tomorrow. It's going to feel humid. It's going to be mild. It's going to feel like a spring day with some springtime rainfall that will come down heavy at times in the middle of November. Satellite radar, here's the warm front. As it lifts to the north, it allows those temperatures to go up. The dew points go up, so it's a little humid. That adds some available moisture to the atmosphere. That's why the potential is there for some very heavy rainfall tomorrow. And as the back edge of the system pulls closer to the area, that's also going to increase the winds as we go throughout the day tomorrow. So for tonight, hour by hour, cloudy now. Look at your temperatures. They're going the wrong way. What is that? 50s by morning and some showers. Very light showers break out for that morning commute. A little breezy to start the day tomorrow. But by the afternoon, rain heavy at times. Winds gusting 35, 40 miles an hour. And some thunderstorms possible in the afternoon, too. Some of those storms could be severe, enhancing some of the winds. And there is a slight chance of a few rotating storms that could produce a spin-up or a little isolated tornado during the afternoon. There's your highs in the 60s tomorrow. Hour by hour, light rain breezy to start. Rain gets heavier for the afternoon, windier by the afternoon, and that's your best chance of some thunderstorms. A very stormy Friday before we get to the weekend. Here's your wind gust forecast. I haven't adjusted this at all. 25 to 35 in the orange, 35 to 45 in the red. Sustained winds about 10 to 20 miles an hour or 10 to 15 miles per hour in the morning, increasing to around 20 miles per hour in the afternoon. So futurecast, a lot of clouds. We know that. The rainfall, very spotty showers tonight into tomorrow morning. The core of the rain is still to our west, but enough to have an impact on the morning commute where the roads will be a bit wet. Going to the late morning hours, all that heavy rain that's to our west through the morning starts to inch closer to the area. By 2 o'clock, heavy rain falling from much of Rhode Island, shifting into southeastern Mass by 3, 4 o'clock, and then eventually pushing off the coast by about 5 or 6. This is a very fast-moving system. There's a short window in the afternoon where that rain comes down heavy and the winds gust strong. Improving conditions throughout the evening. Saturday starts off sunny, but oh my goodness, what is this? Another little burst of rain late in the day and evening. Some areas, we'll say just northern Worcester County, could have a few snowflakes that mix in with the rain during the afternoon. Yikes, not here though. Rainfall for us, about 1 to 1.5 inches of rain when it's all said and done. By the time we get to the Pats game on Sunday, everything's out of here. It's cooling off and it's beautiful. Cool to start the week next week, but then milder temperatures by the end of the week, back to the 60s by next Thursday. John.
All right, Jeff, thank you. Supply chain issues